Kertas writing. Okay, choose your car.
Sekejap.
Sekejap. Kita nak baca cerita. Dah tak payah pakai kertas dah. Dah boleh simpan
Abang-
kertas.
Semua ni semua.
Ada nak item kan?
Ha.
Item apa?
Teresa.
Okay.
Bawa balik kampung ke?
Tak lah.
Okay, pilih kereta nak warna apa? Merah,
Purple.
kuning, warna purple.
Warna favourite
Okay.
saya happy.
Okay, let's start.
A trip to Australia.
A trip to Australia. Correct. 2 boxes. Good job. Next.
Here is a photo of Norlia with her dear friend Lydia.
Good job. Here is a photo of Norlia with her dear friend Lydia. 2 boxes. Next.
Last year, Norlia went to visit Lydia in Australia.
Good. Last year, Norlia went to visit Lydia in Australia. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next.
Norlia had so much fun in Australia.
Norlia had so much fun in Australia. Okay, another 2 boxes. Next.
Lydia's home was
Lydia's.
Lydia's home was near a pier.
Lydia's home was near a pier. Okay, another 2 boxes. Next.
Every morning, every morning, Norlia would sit by the pier.
Every morning, Norlia would sit by the pier. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next.
She could hear seagulls screaming in the clear skies.
She could hear seagulls screaming in the clear skies. Okay, seagulls. Okay, 2 boxes. Alright, finish.